Hello everyone, this is Karen from High Tech Circuits. It's a pleasure to make introduction for Flex PCB here. Today I would like to introduce this 8-layer heritage Flex PCB. 2 male adhesive lace PI material and FR4 TG118 with black solid mask and yellow overlay. Material is FR4 and growing matte. Total thickness is 2 mm. Flex PCB have several advantages: space efficiency, reliability, durability, reduced assembling cost, and so on. And the application area also very extensive: mobile phone, medical equipment, computers, video cameras, automotive and test equipment, and so on. We have more than 20 years of Flex PCB manufacturing experience and our capability and leading level in the industry. We have an excellent team to follow up to ensure the quality and delivery, and can turn your Flex PCB project during 48 hours. Would like to get good price? Feel free to contact us. We'll be thankful for your response. Thank you so much.